In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file in Confluence, a task that can streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration with your team. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to attach and link the Excel file to your Confluence page. Start by editing the Confluence page where you want the file to be accessible. Once you're in the page editor, it's time to bring in your Excel file. Simply drag and drop your Excel file, whether it's in .xlsx or .xls format, right into the page editor. This might sound straightforward, but this simple action is your key to making your files easy to reach within your Confluence workspace. As soon as you drop that file, you'll notice it appears as a file attachment link directly on the page. This link is your doorway to downloading the file whenever you or anyone else needs it. Now, once you have that link in place, go ahead and publish the page. With the page published, anyone with access to it will be able to click on this link to download the file, making it a very convenient way to share necessary data with your teammates. Next, let's talk about embedding the Excel file for viewing, which takes things a step further for dynamic interaction with your data. If you're looking for live updates or a more interactive way to present your Excel data in Confluence, you might want to consider using Google Sheets for embedding. The initial step here involves uploading your Excel file to Google Drive. Once that's done, open it in Google Sheets, which is Google's cloud-based spreadsheet tool. Now, you're set to share it in a way that keeps everyone in the loop with live updates to your data. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of your Google Sheets document, and then copy the link provided there. Now that you have your link ready, head back to your Confluence page. Paste the link where you'd like the Google Sheets content to appear. Confluence does a great job of interpreting links, but to ensure it's embedded for viewing, look for the option to configure it. Click Configure and then choose Embed. Just like that, you'll have your Excel data available on Confluence in an interactive and easily shareable form. Importing Excel files into Confluence this way creates a seamless experience for collaboration, whether you're sharing static data via a download link or showcasing dynamic data with Google Sheets. It's really about making the workflow more fluid and effective for your team. And there you have it. You've just made it easier for everyone to access and interact with vital data right within your Confluence pages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.